This instrument is a drop sensing rain sensor which adopts a new drop sense design concept, and its internal design is designed with a special structure to accurately control the size of raindrops. Then the raindrops are counted by optical induction, so can measure the amount of rainfall. Compared to traditional tipping bucket rain gauges, aluminum alloy metal material small size, lightweight 300克, easy to install, diameter 7.5 cm. Compared with optical and piezoelectric rain gauges, the use of infrared counting to ensure accuracy can change the size of raindrops and make the volume of raindrops more uniform. We can also provide a variety of wireless modules, including GPRS4, G Wi-Fi LoRaWAN, and supporting servers and software which can view data in real time.